5 funniest facts about cats and their behavior. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they have a lot of different behaviors. Below is a list of funny cat facts that you may not know. Why do cats scratch? It keeps their claws in tip-top condition, and helps mark their territory. So they scratch to keep their claws in great condition, and to communicate with other cats, and leave a reminder for themselves. Scent glands between the paw pads to produce a unique smell that is left on surfaces when cats scratch. This scent, combined with scratch marks and discarded claw husks, leaves a sign for your cat and a message for other felines in the area. Is there a difference between a male and female cat's brain? The answer to this question is not a simple yes or no. There are many differences between the brain of a male and a female cat's. One difference is that the female cat's brain has more neurons than the male cat's brain. This could be because they have more complex social skills, which require a higher degree of intelligence. What is the largest cat breed in the world? The largest cat breed in the world is the Maine Coon. This is a very popular cat breed in North America. It is also one of the most popular breeds in Europe. The Maine Coon has a long body and a short tail, which makes it look like it has an elegant silhouette. They have large paws, and they usually have tufts on their ears and tails, which are called flags. These flags make them look like they are wearing pirate hats. What is the longest cat in world history? The longest cat in the world is a title that has been shared by many different felines. The current holder of the title is a Maine Coon named Stewie, who measures 48.3 inches from nose to tail. Have you ever noticed that cats are always sleeping? Cats sleep for around 13 to 16 hours a day. It's about 70% of their life. They do this to save their energy. In the wild, they would be saving their energy to go and hunt for their food. House cats, obviously don't need to do this, but it just comes naturally to them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.